course one phobia meeting His Excellency Dr. Bawumia, because almost were a cremony. No more macremony media. So me patch on 1 minute. May transfer video be a free harbor. See our buy and Mamodi. Okay. And then now I start to be corrected. Nana ya suffer. Na boss of anything. As of young ones, some radio, so minimum thing. But na so for be about betina say. Abeti aso for neto. Na e cover asano. Ye de ni momo ye. Ba me de audio ya mi beboy. Ma me for discrimination to her. Because court na budi ka de me ko ene me ma. We so mo frame me ma. So what they make court you on your own. I don't even give a fuck. Okola we need the defamation na me afia me we japade anu akofa. And this is a 5 year penal town. That's my only property. James and John come 23 na me dey abiem. Until no media ready adu me ko bia you on your own. In fact, what they make court let me sit here and congratulate you. Congratulations, you've won in advance because me go and win the case. Now will be a register, go and collect it. Bibi a what you know say I'm Jabiano. O Kwana ye amount na say we say 1 million 2 million na dey go chia. And you know, don't waste your time taking me to court. I got no properties in Ghana, I got no money there. If I come there, you can't do me shit. That you know. And I don't care. Hey, let me remind you, police and I can be intimidated. That's what I'm trying to say. Me catch you on my board, you need to move the ammonia. Muntian come away. Me patch also for that app no so. Also for that app no so. Also for penny for no WhatsApp group. And to me last week me betra catch them say almost such in China and to macremony. Now the person me busa mo say and come for to my Christo need your own and crefo for almost to my Christo near ye. Mo aso for mo so person mutu futu ogun krofo ani Ghana aso for California mo na wana mkra bodyguards mo say chief imam na imam bi na ma omo kra bodyguards. Before I will play this audio, let me sit here and tell you as a Christian, aso for bompire mame wuni mi pa empire ya duma power my brabum the chief imam. The chief imam. Me ko chief imam fie se me kosam paibo. Na ma nkoto papa na me titra gate na me suma mama. Na ni pe busa me se fie aden. Busa, o baba na me gate na no su. Aden me bury ram papa na to no. Ni pa dem paibo. Today I sit here to tell you, I've said it before. Out of all the prophets, the pastors I know in and out Ghana, Nipa and Bible meaning you are called the Thomas lawyer. Ajami, Omujami, Adashalami, Sunarayabami, Rebami, oh, we are not the lie, the son, why week now, me dreams cancer the medicine kaduro no. Say chief imam the nsa to me so me pie kwa, de me bia ye. De me bia. Enti Ghana so for no so mo nzaza mo. Mo so mo nzaza mo. Na aya chief imam, we so ka sa me menti ase. Ti beti amina na me de na join it. Na chief imam ne yiri na wo ne late wife me maye fiku egufie kra ma me de ma me wo maye fi ni na ma me de ma me wo so be so to me so na papa ne ka ami no wie no mu breaking la nine ma break it through but no my friend no to nchen me de me ka ko sini say enkamofo mpa boko aduru Nyankopon ni nche Kristofo asa na meka sana mpesa mi kiremu si awon kramofo bi a omo mpa ya direct ekonya Nyankopon say straight omo mpa ya ne ko wa Yesu asu na akonya me ho number 1 eye chief imam enti se momo san se mo gange etia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because of your kremoni ba mo so ya na mo shatade na mo ko Dubai mo ma kremoni ni mo so mo ko ye de wo Dubai mo se mo ma kremoni ni mo so Ghana asofo na mo ko ye de wo Dubai no why na this one me pa cho Meta Mark Zuckerberg dia WhatsApp group na mo create here na mo te so amo protiti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no Mark Zuckerberg dia Mark Zuckerberg oye atheist Mark Zuckerberg oye atheist oni nyamini oni bonsamuni oni ni wono kwa do si nyame no abodamsem enti mo makremoni ni mo so na mama obi a woni nyamini di mo so yi one baby am concern na be fie me je ma me issue disclaimer the upper fa be come some true me mother I won't come there you can do your worst oh me am to America come here last 3 months on chimi no
that negative man
monti audio no
so the way I can you play fish so it's what I'm going to that negative man so the way I can you play fish so it's what I'm going to
media WhatsApp disclaimer and I'm there too so for media kwa to WhatsApp group maybe there na meeting and cry dey meeting na so for media kwa to WhatsApp group send me and so Emma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ane so for media kwa ya on WhatsApp group Seba
Osimi de modi
me modi
so the way I can you play fish so it's what
me broadcast me so perfect me bonsam true ma coming there asofo amotna segangi tie nipa because of your Christo ni because of your dramanfo mo gangi tie nipa because of your ceremony not because wakofa ni yechi ni obi akowo it is sad mo gangi tie nipa because of your ceremony because of your dramanfo not because of your comfort because of more selfish interest because asuma see the oba mo benya liwe bi mo benya you guys should be ashamed of yourself actually I am here
so the way I can you play fish so it's what I'm going Osimi de modi you post it at the end where you so for pages I so for penny Archbishop Nasai one
Reverend also answered the platform so and Reverend also answer voice the first voice now what you know I hope papa so for thing and they are ye free platform no so Reverend also answer na person me kai so funidin and Timontio omo WhatsApp group asofo penifo na to WhatsApp group and a WhatsApp group one also so no omo gangitia Bawumia left and right and the Christians are not fighting for the future of Kano. They are fighting for what they will enjoy. They are fighting for their comforts. And the as I see at say Emma Kramoni bedi so but omo kwateki omo makramoni ni omo so but omo kwateki omo makramoni ni omo so but omo ko Dubai. Reverend also answer voice.
That negative man.
Reverend also has that voice. Reverend also has that voice. How do you speak about people because how do you talk about people because of their religion in that negative manner? Reverend also has that negative manner. If Islamic is this selfless, what am I doing with Christianity? We have pastors ganging against somebody who is coming to develop the country, not because they care, because their offerings will go up, because they will get recognition, because they will. Aren't you choosing your pocket? So mama opinion na memfa use opportunity nkeka fun trend this for kakra enye de ebedie nti a enka don mama nkoye dem biem don mama why assemblyman why MP why minister why vice president why president enti nya du fu pe onu kwa na nyansa woni team enya du fu pe enya yemuno Ghana you almost 40 million and ka dem obi so many beer enya du fu pe a enko na mo ke enya du fu pe ni ayamuno a be ma busa nkwase asemi senya ne pocket a do mama wo pedien in fact enya greediness a do mama oye ex president and yemano den ex gracia Musumi bi ayetuane ko o se chenchira yema na di eso yema police fo di na chi eyezu osi ayaza na mom anya nutina me na 1 second na so nke ka fo ajira na magu animals no chini no say because of your pocket you are talking because of my pockets mi bottom man ka be Ghana say si na safi na Ghana here ana munim afi na Ghana here I chose to stay away from the campaign so that nobody will think said Debbie say sikapa the African Ghana here then come Ghana nani as for the development of Ghana. Now where they are so for no
and drink is in piano. And you say, I remember also as a body. Never my year, and the Archbishop a year I can assign. And the couple see what I have so full pay. Sir, will be standing at the castle floor.
That's how Catcher must say Ghana so for gange. I saw from penny for being more gange about me and last week, you know. I have stupid people saying I talk too much. And your mother got a more radio, so you have to and maybe I'm material.
But we make the same force. What you must say, when you be a criminal, now or two of the standing president. I saw for one country, a young one for the marriage. You are not going to I am so so far in a salad the process up you know then I make a show be I mean I make a fire one of the two group in fire and so when they add bishop at the and the two group in fire because will be a ceremony or the DNMDA one can't share marshal the manager will be into a ceremony
but once sorry back to Dubai dia ye nyame na ye won ti ase o sorry man e bi ko take kwan so ba no dia nyame na ye Turkey president no kwa sorry wen Dubai president sheikh no na sorry say mo akasa mo ko wait na mo ko Dubai ana me boa mo pese mo ko di asori ni sikana mo aka wo se mo ko wait na mo ko Dubai me ba cho Dubai ni nyanka mo fo na di so na. I mean, let's be wise, Ghanaians. Let's be wise. Let's sit up. Let's sit up. The Mekacha will run and one of the Mijina so can it. John Mahama say, Aka don't pay, and another their bear jollof. And none of a person will be a kai. John Mahama. Maybe I told maybe I told 8 years ago, Nana Bebano. Now baby school any admission fee so baby teacher near bribeno money munta first now we are secondary school headmaster now we scapa because in college school masters nature bribe obeko kumase high this will bribe headmaster bribe na headmaster na na chair admission fee me catch remo semuru afia medium ye penini I am turning 43 years ago so wuti 8 years free me fie so a so na me penini de me cannot tell say and now asofo ne say omo atowo mo omo twi Rolls Royce omo twi cars akese ono agina sare me pacho enya abaya sa ase ne to ma no amene si na sorry wo so na I just want to know say asasina na sorry that is so no na government property ne dia mana na mesia kaneno na ubanu watwa ansa no wani admission no wakotu admission fifi wia ubeto school uniform mattress ubeto troubles ubeto socks ubeto atopraye Ubeto atopraye tia abua di obedi nkwa na adwene ho abue me papa di mi ko school ko chia school fees o ma me ga edi sugar na milk nka ho did I die me papa o ma me ga sugar no milk did I die wo twa kan abua wo twa se to Tobi Junction did I die my blood father, I'm not adopted. My biological father, who is also my photocopy, on the Miko school. Emma mi sugar ni gare not sardine. Cause as I told you in the first story, next weekend if you create $20 million school fees, near the sardine account, did I die? Kwasia wotre kanka wati agbeni abua kwasia tina mukro ma head ya no. Did I die? Second no yiwo e was sent na kojina wadwin o twebo wa wo na gina wo ba na ju ma me kanka nti akojina wadwin abue they are eating eba when asamuka ai before mundi gare ofie mon shela nka gare fa ni nkuma we abua wate me se me papa wodi mi ko school o ma re gare ni sugar no me closer wo fu wate o ma me wo finji for say they are serving them eba coming from somebody whose mother cannot give her 3 square meal. Oh, free. Welcome back from the commercial break. Welcome back. And you are so fun. I'm a co gangi se muti. Dr. Mahmoud, any Juma. I'm covered beer. I'm covered Tremu Bridge. Any Juma. Now it is sad, it is so sad. Say I saw for preaching and carbon unity. It is so sad. Say mobile for redia, malam discover mobaje. Say mobile for rena malam discover dia mobaje. malam discover mo baje mo ba for na malam discover mo baje girl we done na so one when so be kan kwase asem obi be complaining about garage di awo ba beto no menya wase asie ni muate said they are giving them garage me mama here channel papa kwaje obu romantic relationship me na me on first born and in a nutshell me na me on doba obu di ko see school mo garage sugar they die kwasia wa ma ba ehwe no unya muso man jimi anya asebo be ka aboa wo koni kote wo frɛ na wawo abo bi do ba ko to secondary school atade ama no wo saba be kire duane a wo fama wo ba ni anya I've got news for you James and John ko kuma say hi no me tumra no ma kire sie James and John omo ko kuma say hi no when my children started about the food I gave them a chef because if somebody is really if somebody is paying school fees giving my children clothes and where to sleep for free if you have a problem with the food that the children are eating honorable where the you should be ashamed of yourself that you have a choice and you don't have money for that choice. So what's here? If you know Lidiana, Nippon Penokore. Maybe go to Kumasi High School and do the check and the balance. My mother catch him say, Wednesday food, Friday food. So Wednesday and Fridays, I was making arrangements from a fearful floor to a dancing to pizza joint to for them. Madam, see a chigare no na wompa obi ama wo best school fees wa ma teacher ni chana dey free wa ma the books free wa ma baby obeda if gare is too much for you me pa chop enti na chicken man pizza wo no who wa daniel dey akoma wo mo say we no vanity fie na ma the pizza enti we wa daniel dey akoma no I simple na wo pa ho maso so wo bi botomo just beggar with the choice and this voting answer dey ka crazy na do ba ye na oka do mama ka say don pena sano na fo se ka don pena de koto KFC na ma nkola no wuni twemu ate e yo ma me na ne twe o ma me twe gbagba ya se gbagba ya Bobby Amaba free school, free uniform, free books. Now said the other woman in home there. I didn't care see her too. James and Dom said after a cook. I was school more than the only one more at 8. We won't cut them quiet. My friend, the whole class, no, my baby. Yet me won't cut them quiet. I'm afraid the whole class, no, my baby, because yes. As I said, if government is paying all that, how much is food? Now every time NDC wants to make argue food, it's so pathetic. Every time NDC want to make argument, your food. I know to the madam of flag bearer virginary no. Say Dr. Mahama on the man who Dr. Mahama. So no doctor no amobi. Politics when I want more doctor. He said no. Veterinary never know you need to go trema. No more friend Dr. Mahama because all veterinary policy na yedi and koko. Another policy in nine. Another policy and ponche. Now no policy no. I am confirmed. Mahama nkwana beti na ko jira wa joint. No one turn the policy ni na good take away pa ko na ga go free. Ukwa me mama me watch it 10 series. Also open number also ma this policy. And this policy that pom check akra. Yeah, udanya ma dey akra. I confirm 9 any go siga. Say mama watch it joint very easy. When you do mama watch a series. Mama watch the tally and gari 10 series. Also open number also mama NDC for policy. NDC for policy here then. And go get it. And oh yes, mommy NDC policy was NDC policy. They also mommy name my dear. Ne mama punch kakra. The pacho o wa akoko ana confirm mama kakra never kosia to so policy no policy awie and this policy e di na koda woni wi a wa wie and this policy e di na koda woni wi a wa wie and ya konya ko bobra ja mo ga some policy ne difficult to think again asofo
you remember that you could have fish
magange bese amuko gange ti aba umi last week na mbekaye and agana for so kasa and na me afia me say baby amakodua asem asem ne be fifi asem no asem
negative man asofo so ya can you could have fish so is what I do na kwenti we agora oseme de mbo ni e mo ni you post here the no ya so for pages
Dabi Dr. Richard yan kansa wachera pacho wo mahama policies ni bi wa wase mama policies ni bi de o si dan twie yama de aponche akokokosua ni akonfirm mama policies e wo wacha bomumu
so penny Bishop.
Why have you run to US if Ghana is not? I am coming to acquire education. Say, I will come and rule you and your food thinking agenda. If Ghana is hard, I won't be in America and be taking money from Ghana to be paying my school fees here. That's what I said. Maybe Virginia, I was saying, my China is Jimmy. 10 years with the NDC is enough to corrupt your mind. We do much in Jimmy. And to make one people one to me really fit inside. And I realized what was missing was quality education. What I say, me so my body degree by conti in aviation. Till I was saying me pushing me home. What I say, me doing this for China attended Jimmy. That's the only way you'll be recognized. NDC don't like intelligent people. And to me call NPP, I'm not fit here because NPP embraces intelligence. And when I'm about Buchino, me be shady, Namasa, the Yans, who's a million too much. To me, bolo degree in account on the bar. Me be what the man of the Yansa room. Movie or this year, Chimney, Pimutina, the Yansa room. And my own say, oh, I will be there. Won't me now, Coco. And tell me to me, America. Yamisha, have I answered your question? The answer also.
standing president. I saw for one country a year I so far in a side of the posties have a then I make a show me. I'm going to make a fire. One of the two group I shall be any Bishop.
And I'm only one of the presidency. I am in Agrada. Oh, yeah. I won't say. President and advice in your Rasta is for a purpose. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 8 years new year. A woman power. A woman power. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 8 years new year. A woman power. I am in your Glasgow. Minimum ready. And a woman power. Sir, we need to trust any political party. WPP. Your slogan here, you empower of fire, best show.
And the two group fire. There will be a ceremony of the DNM. One country, Marshall, the manager will be on to a ceremony.
I won't quite nasty. That's any account with our original source, they more direct. And you might do blah. Me also to am say kai on the adwuma di kwaku on the adwuma di ya chechira aso akwaku on the adwuma di and you mom kwata on you say I can't fault you adwuma na di adwuma because me betna ha e ka di asofo ne be yansa no moye and it's the fact and then you asofo be ka wa bato e message wa setina mu shawo ma setina mu won so ni patiti pie firi wadwuma mu a eyeye won so ampi firi fie eyeye o ampi firi fie a eyeye ona bu bi firi obi so mu eyeye the four ba ko pe education can change your house. See, education, it can change your house. And yet, now I make us a medical school milk, grandpa pay any biamame. And this school I come in, Coco Ben and grandpa pay with Jamie. As I said, a Japadia Ben. A school, I'm a corner, me human rights. Now I'm standing here. I'm Jabba. Ma usafo meka nkwase asemo ma nkoto do ma do mahama ma ni betwa free SHS mu na asori ne muawo asori no omuawo free SHS ya meti atiemu yi free SHS ya meti atiemu ya mebo hu dawuyi free SHS ya meti atiemu a mebo hu dawuyi dia be pesa meka ma wote ne se wo sofo kra ne banko bio asofo ne ma no omoko private university. They go to private schools. Asofo no omoko jisika wodo mama ho abeka cho se e makremoni ni wuso no omoko Christian International. Ebi mako GIS won dine da woni ma bi simple. I British International and all of Monaco. I already more offering. I am more na motu for here. More and a motu for here. More na moba for here. And my so for ya the four. No more do a Monaco school papa. No more do almost so. ICS and no moko. Enti ono na ni free SHS no oni enti a wo sofo mpese wo ba be ko free SHS no wo ba ko free SHS na na ni ti a obebo wo se wo kra no offering bebe na wo to waso dem na nkwase asem amon mpese mani beti o asofo no wo di do ma echi no they have also realized that if you see the light you go. Money the entire me call Bible school. Man call Bible school say me be here so full. They be na me ma me dem come sheba. And na me see ento akonya 50 mu be wu. Yento table we. Ye ni the ebedio. Ye my mother couldn't provide 3 square meals. Yet me share me ma me nkom. No akobo mo sia. No dey akoye. Asem we makasa. So I woke up one day and I said I want to study this God. My mother was giving to the church what we don't have until I graduated from the Bible school. And I am, in fact, me, if I give to you as a pastor, I'm not even giving with the understanding that Nyamibe Shan, I want to support the work of God. I'm not giving with the understanding that me disike brain and coupon or Nyami woni bank. Or Nyami was sika ne data ne dia nti wo dia kakra no meje. Onyami woni bank. Bible says send aduma enidi adenti na usofo oya 40 days revival there na wo bedi. Bible says send aduma enidi. And to work on school now when in dia wo mama me nko 40 days revival because I was so quite aduma ko peska. So for them peneso because but we about the masses will be educated. Say krano and kwalaya omuko certificate SHS 8 years down the lane. I saw business na abafom. I saw business na abafom because kwala na ni ati wo mo ti wo mo ma me no mani. Jandam pastors. Reverend also answer.
can you could have food. So I say, I'm
more congregate here, Bawumia because of your ceremony.
About 5:34.
Miss Uncle Pomon. About to like a very intelligent decision you must make. About to choose wisely. Choose wisely.
National University here. But wait, I think Reverend Usu answer. Why they? I don't know. National University. Gabriel answer. Okay, so Reverend Usu answer. But when you preach, why you don't have to yes, sir.
Also, for Canadian of a flyer, and they are called to a soft group. Or the two groups now, and suffer now, pass, come and suffer now, can say. And the criminals can be a country, no sorry, man, and will be a criminal. And I was saying, big evidence. And I will follow it here. It is when you speak like this, what is of penny, and Tim would do but the only I know that is the way I'm so why do you create this unity?
As someone sent back and Muslim Casado say the audience I put
when you eat I
said,
National University here.
I think
Reverend Usu answer. And National University.
Mekana last week and I'm saying fiat dear. Or call did be by woo or continue hey where Jandam Pato. As of on the WhatsApp group, no, all my dream so by me also. As of when you all my dream to me also. Many sons are me also. And to me back last week, no information here too hot for some people to conceive. I feel moment here audio no in full.
Okay, Reverend Usu answer. And Gabriel answer. They refer to Reverend Usu answer. The video is answer. When you eat
so now so for Canadian of a flyer, and they are called to a soft group. Or the two groups now, suffer now, pass, come and suffer now, can say. And the criminals can be a no country, no sorry man, and will be a criminal. And I was saying, give you evidence. And I will follow it here. It is when you speak like this, what is of penny, when people would do but the only I know that is the way I'm so why do you create this unity? Because of who influence you but a ferry say cancer and pages. So one for the and the fashion for behind and in the criminal Saturday purpose of a year. We would do. We never kind and we very now. Because of discrimination. When we are preaching Christ, we don't discriminate. Until we need to go for that statement now making because of we no further no to all the number 2 page or so. When it was in the officer, you was in the believing your philosophy and ideology. And it's your work much because of mesrawa ɛbɛyɛ anka yi kura efi so ɛnso ɛsɛ ɔma ade na kɔnkye
obi ɛgyara ɔsɛ mi deɛ mi mbɔ odi ɛwɔ mi bɛ bɔ di deɛ ɔpɔsi adeɛ no wɔ yɛ asɔfo page so ɛyɛ sɔfo panyin ɛyɛ archbishop Angela Sare wɔn wa.
We will not waste our time on people who knows better but they are not. Dr. Mahmoud Baumi and NPP phone maybe years I won't tell ya Mami Emma and I may change you be in Ghana because we still have men of God, but 80% of them are men of their stomach, not God actually. Is about love. Yes, no. Everything that Christianity entails is about love. Now, so we are Christian now to mean doctor money there, and in a China custom bonsam. Dear, you love to swim in toilets. John Mahama Pomo Kotoa Baman, oh free. Motumani, we are Mompa, say, Nezepuno. I want to know Fankodani here. I'll boy, my dear. I'm only 8:15, Ewa America, but just try me. Try will be our dinner. Never, dear. No mutu abamani we are this year person journey obe garden the pants. No mutu abamani we are tell a person journey I will quote you clan nikem or class Mr. President there sit down or free why they not that idea I'm doing nana but never come cause I send bill free. And I'm there and we prescribe for me consume me. Automatically I'm in the bad mood. Oh, don't hold tea at the end of the day. Me prescribe me consume me to the old dear. Come and see. Mon friend is in Emra. Mon friend is in a good Emra. I'm a fat got anymore. I'm a friend is in Emra. National Distraction Party. We are moving around. Me say to mama, moto abamani we are just so jani garden nika. So jani, garden nika. We are sape so jani a obe kura coffee bottle. Say cry do dey see o kakra. I say the coffee cup no fan come bia o dey see o. Asoi enem. Moya come and vote from America to Ghana is only 10 hours, not 24 hours. From America to Ghana is a 10-hour flight and not 24 hours until that way. Malabi, me pacho, mami teasers ne mama policies ni biwae. Mami teasers ene mama policies ni biwae. ana wo mame Caesars ne mahama policies no ebi mesewala ame monyum krama na 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 menyame ho na beji a ejonya miye oye pa ejonya miye baba mayensie baby I'm telling you obey you said it to be ready to obey you my newfound love mama yensie akola kitwa esuko ma bia ma discover no akola kitwa young girl esuko no ma kra na muntie di akola ne ka muntie
abusia na share campaign aka 7 days elena ochi we yere ko to ba jama doctor na ja ene akwanya no mo kan Bekeli, if you say me oferuko, o share oferuko free new site. Echo emena. Akola. Tebu ko bi kwan. We akola si aye. Ko te de bi akwachi woni na akola.
Mese na kupon se ni pa som no be ma bosia som no sagana asofo eso mo be sorry etia bawumia enkola resu ko no ma es akola kitwa pa ambajo ti akola resu ya ni enye ko ni pa friend bisa na mi ya ni ko udu atosu apa ananu ejoda ekewi yara na da ko for ebe pie na wasante mountain ebe pie hospitals and nine hospital, Robosu Hospital, Sabonu Hospital, Chadia Hospital, Mineo Kasei, Eyegma, at a 4 plate, Sauna Marapeta Tessa, Ultimi Concancho Mose, MP Asadia, and so be quay, MP Asadia, and so be toilet, MP Asadia, and so be Obadore. We will have Ghana will be a better country if you have 2.5 of the nation educated. If even a quarter of this nation can read the rights, if even half of this nation can read the rights, this is the generation we are bringing up. Communication. Mami ofejina won say ye be pe baby ama na ntwe na akoda ne awo mo pane why na ye do ma mo ready azuko no man na do ba ye mo ready na do aba be ye na me wo fra na mo say na ntwe ne be wo mo plan free of charge say the bad and pay no beto o na say why na hear me papa job na me so ko no ma wo akwala me se me tesa akwala nkasa wo se gu mi se wi si ebiem
akwa ye papa to December 17 enye MPP enye NDC we say me ma me nyama enye member privates ye ma no mutu ade wo marketa e na ye no mu hwe e wo say akwa ye papa to December but ye tell say free SSC senye we stop this kind of politics.
What's it? PSHS. Papa ya uchewa ngobi. Bra ngobi.
Wanko didn't get SHS.
Father goes to that school there are 2 months. No, let's say 3 months. No, that is the problem. But you can't say free SHS in here.
Oh, boy.
Stop this kind of politics. What's it?
PSHS. Papa ya uchewa ngobi. Bra ngobi.
Wanko.
Ngobi.
Akwala ni
beneficiary of PSHS. So microphone me, I'm a beneficiary of PSHS. The challenges alone.
You see, Ben, I'll go PSHS.
I want this.
Ben, I'll go school.
You know, school that was 2 years ago.
2022.
I'm very impossible.
PSHS now kind, Rodi kind, or certificate, program for NPI. Only a young one. And also, now I'm for the empire, or also better for PSHS 2017. I was in, he was 57 and then when you're 57 there. I see I go for the NCC.
I'm my council. NDC and Lanchi on policy will book. 2016 by this time, not John Mahama Lanchi the Green Book. Nana did the Lanchi book or commission and ready a picture video. 2016 by this time, 9 years for or more commission the Green Book. Who was I said, yeah, no, I almost in a Green Book in it now. I didn't know my go and check the Green Book. And you want to say, no, my it's in the Green Book. I didn't know my it's in the Green Book. Hey, it's in the Green Book. Abanidia. As I said, it's no longer about NDC and NPP. It's about policies. It's about who get the better policy. John Mahama is not the best option as at now. Mahama, no, lie, no.
And so yeah, campaign. I got 4 days. Near the control by the Dr. Hajman Mudibunia. Now, we're going to campaign. And a special vote in the council. This is a country radio. So we're going to have my Thursday. Now, I'm also letting me out from Dr. Hajman Mudibunia. Let me be a council. It's a mere also control by the Saturday. Also, I am a bar of our voters' ID card. So we are here. We are going to be out to about 2020. Now, and I said police station or now, Uncle D on me will not pay.
This is what Nanado left. Nanado left us with a very powerful, outspoken, intelligent, educated generation. Maybe actually upgrade you or reset it. Research to factory setting. Rebel for maybe say can. Communication on the tour. O jam say the ono the lie. O jam say ono the never. So I know John Mahama pa. Etiase. One mom go school. School and gown. Never, ever, ever. Muko square kwere. Abram ko nkete wo. Obeye pure water. John Eka. Waba mbe pure water. Na pure water and create business. Mubaton wan kremu. Why is Abrokwa? Well, I dumped him just the way I dumped John Mahama for better options. I dumped him. Nipa the only thing I'm not assuming for so I will turn it. And can I answer your question? I dumped Abrokwa and I'm never going back for him. And that's why I'm begging Ghanaians. You dumped John Mahama. And Mamon Kofa Mufi, Mufi John Mahama to for Mamon Kofa. Abrokwa Matuna Chine. I dumped him because he was useless as a man in my life. He was very useless, and that is why I'm not going back to my ex. Maybe to me fini panto and san confirm fear. Ghana for and mamon confirm fear. The economy is hard. What option has John Mahama given you? What option? Sawufa John Mahama when you go kwape. Bema want to be more will be brown so no generation no yetri. Okay, brother, yati be flag bearer. Wo ba wo be there was in kokon ketinketi and kokon your options ana. Fulani na nchie, is it an option? Muma busa ma bro kwa se na me fa brother onyina ne nche. Momo ane. Any si for moko. Magwane. Dollar rate is mind blowing. Time and now dollar rate is mind blowing, you know. Me patron he and I was see dying. And he na was ayo. Mahama Free University. Now me kasama do Mahama. And I'm quite bossy wedding. No talk as mass sequence. At least Miss Bell ever catch me send a car don't let the man. Mercy see do so be can be. Now me here Juma man this is a boy. I remember 7 years old, 7 years by this time. Nami na muro catch uncle for say. Nana don't me free SHS. Nami na muro I catch uncle for say Nana don't me free SHS. Guess what? Me man enjoy it first. Me ma and enjoy free SHS no first. Ane enti aboko de matuna twere mama sita ya mama dodo wo mo kakra and this is for me very emotional e come dey dem timi bi na me come dey dem me kwa di sika na me ko bobu si aye wedding na me ye do mama nkwasi aduma no to cars no ye bataza aduma sata na me force me bua na me develop Ghana no so bataza ngongo Bataza ngongo ai enuntra na me bedi MPP fuachi a o mama me nyansa mama value education o ya makwa kwaje bosi ha ye wedding o di NDC fuachi a enkwase asem o value nyansa ye be ko ani wonti ne I have my shime ho afi jimi mu my shime ho ne hamo onyame agime onyame e obeyi Jesus e obeyi onyame yime obeyi diaba me sebi nyame yime friend this onyame ne yime empire ba me bo ama on se mempai ba me bo ama on se onyame ga mu wo kane ano onyame ebe mu wo kane ano na wo so onyame aye the journey is for it. I say it's money. Not just always just NDC here more. I say NDC here more. Oba Mary. Yes, yeah, Mama Mama Bashaw. Mume dim call I am Mama Quine. And go on getting. Oh, I can papa be my Ghana. What's no position 8 years? Oh, I see Uncle Yen tree. Oh, free. Why ask us to me Uncle Yen tree? Why fear? And I wouldn't entry any cozy. Or single room, the hill I pack up Boyano. Musa more moto no pack one of them. Would the best one about near to 2. I've been born in tea. If Baumia is chopping small girls, please bring the audio. At the back, Dominic Pinatu, anti Abobo Yanu, the best. Motor so I why am you know what tia another so nia na the konti wadanya ewo dina wa high workers wano na betwa wani no obi do abobo ye ko anadu tu no ubedi mi kubetu mi ka they say wa abobo ya no wada na betisi akaka because moto make committee start moto 2 years negative and positive can that now started and to wada na abobo ya no one single room na abobo ya ni si abontina efie no so wole na wona ya betu abobo ya ne kono anadu tu ubedi mika ubetu mika dia kwamfo na chi ana ubeti atie mu ama wo fie we tu I think that Nanchie say me free Ghana na about 4,000 Ghana cedis, so it's like a year ago. Nanchie ba. More yes someone koye Nanchie ni more free NHIS. Nanchie ba of 5,000. Na ba cho 5,000 what the be Nanchie? Mese Nanchie baby cat na say baby cow Nanchie ba cows Nanchie ba I about 5,000 Ghana cedis but other 4 women no 5,000 what the be kwakoto Nanchie ba na di Nanchie ba ne ba e wo fie ho e na woni Nanchie no mo beda and your friend this in Ibi the number as a passe how much 24-hour economy in Patrick.
It's a policy that it is going to make it the system will make it possible for you to run at a particular period in time. Then another person will also go and another period in time. Then it goes to assess because in 24-hour economy, if there are teachers who have taught, they are teaching in the tertiary institution. Now, which idea you have a lecture by 3. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. By 7 p.m. you have closed. Normal. There could also be another lecturer who can also take on from 3 p.m. And will end up by 9 p.m.
24-hour
by 9 p.m.
Also normal.
Very good. But have we been
after 9?
After 9, we can still run it depends on the number of lecturers who have been accrued in the university.
Lecturers need any problem to say students na question there.
Yes.
Anyway.
Yes. In the school, students are more question there. It is not every student. Every time that the students will have to go 24 hours and they will have to go in the night. It's possible, say, a lecturer could miss his lecture during the daytime for many reasons. So the cover up can be in a particular period in that evening. So that's not to say that the students will not rest.
Okay.
But there is still a door that is open for the lecturer who can still hold a lecture at a particular period.
School lectures are 2 a.m. Now we must say another 12. Entering Akko school 2 o'clock. Number of lectures now we call it 2 a.m. no. A prostitution and armed robbery now because you and I said dear bad dear. Number Kumasi for Mumoto to say the betting of I do say quiet Muweti for so another alcohol lectures another 12 p.m. any 2 a.m. in the name of 24-hour economy and but on some lectures now before I say Akko University 2 a.m. no but what the phone no laptop beko what the bag bebo wati and I say ube wa hu what pay classroom Now me, I know you are a serious person and I'm a serious person. At what point? And I mean, you bet me a free 24-hour night club, Aqua 24-hour classroom. Number 2, who feel one person, Aqua classroom choir. And by this semester, as I'm soon to say, because we watch it. Who feel what them air lectures no choir. Me by this semester. Me by UGP saying. This semester, who was saying now be free disco, so because 24-hour disco to 24-hour lectures. Wait me out there. Why Uncle Blue and Cocoya so now Uncle Bay 50 Anadua name my hair with Diana Madano and Uncle Coco will so an amen. You know I do living in a butchery. Living quite and can do my bonnet, but living a may I make no picture about young. Living in young. Oh, mamma, who can't say the true. With your Jimmy dear. And here for whatever I do with my life is none of your business. I'm one of the most powerful women in Ghana. That's the most important. You are not. What thing I know is you are very stupid and I don't give audience to stupid people. And me answer with you a chance because you a chance with Jimmy said with that. You are stupid and I don't give audience to stupid people because 80% of the people supporting NDC are stupid. Now living, taking care of somebody, is it a crime? I just NDC nipe and a feeling say be a home health aider because common sense any party and kwasi afo and no money NDC. And to me quiet living in a burning is all bad for picture brad. We are in any case, living, we are living is better than being an NDC member. Okay, we catch us. So the people follow NDC, they have called on me pillar 2. Called on me crossing never uncle reform because party na me wo na ma wo futu agbe ko wonim ye nche wunyansa sem party ni di atemo a ena wo animonyam entu de service yare NDC minister mpo ni nyansa kakra bi NDC de enkwase afoku me pacho living no owo ye living no owo ye home health aid CNN no kind of minimidi and a CNN bibi nursing certified nursing assistant and a home health aid and a year living obuko school ya momo taxes so living ya when you dia nurse for na duma na you but who am I to advise somebody who is supporting NDC Mwankasa mo flag bearer kwan oni mo flag bearer kwan ni mudi nkomo a eye moa asem no ne mo ka and you won't value education and value anything that brings money ashawo and the work to me e wo mo kingdom mo o twaka kan sa wo ma me dia wantimi amo bra. My children are not on social media fully because your mother is a useless woman. See what you are doing me man no mo ye aduma. Modidi matemri a monko frɛ Mama Lordina. Mama Lord or preference pa mon friend Lordina no ko jani kunu campaign ba ko pe wai mon flag bearer yere no kwa yi mu ama flag bearer na yere do ba ba first lady no ono ko beto ama ba unia Aba umiana mbia na yere na mo ananya Samira ko ya fulani ni kwa wonka so de nantwie ebe ma ye NHIS Samira ba umia ono ko ya fulani ni kunu a implement health policy ema nantwie mo flag bearer oso oba obe ma nantwie asumadwo no Monko pam Her Excellency Lordina Mahama Achao mani nko ye campaign bi mamo. And the president say about the one be first lady because obani so nko ye campaign e mas le queens for mejemfa. NDC Papa Miss Bell and about the first. Lordina Mahama the most beautiful woman left in the NDC. Mompana Chow, Molani Meti, I didn't know Mama Kwana Kari and the young Kanui. Ezeno, Motu Alama do Mama, one about their first lady. So far so good. 8 years. What is Samira Nanam? No baby mama, no drama, no slave queen, nothing. Mr. Mohanis if we are Mudi Matemi, my first lady in the wine. Auntie Jane, Madam Mo, Knikulu Ninachi, Eti Mo Kotua NDC, Ama Yeni First Lady, Yeni Second Gentleman, Mo promoting broken family battle, as I was single man, you was single father, was standing president, and you was single mother, was standing Onoya running mate, and was I know, as I know. John dear, ni subanti na mama Lord is womba. Mo ya me wanza bra John de see ni mi am papa no no. What is say me give me the highest one. Ni subanti na mama Lord is womba ye bra John. Na Madam Moko Zukunu wen ana ya to abani wi ani apekunu no abaye second gentleman. Ti moda so di NDC echi single to single. What be that? Last audience, you are in USA, you are better than me. You are feeling you see sphincters, but what I say, we feel anything. When you say penna bini, I'm poor. My penna cry is better than you. Like penna is better. Me no nya na te America me se no ofie ni no sprinters me wo bi odo me wo me ni okuma se wo asase dan sprinters